Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media, just checking in. The video I'm doing today for day number 23 is just some test footage with the GoPro Hero 8, which I'm recording on right now. We went out to the range, shot a couple of guns, had a good time, and just messed around with the GoPro. First time kind of being hands-on with it, so just enjoy the footage. Just to let you know, we have 7 days left, and I'm hoping to get to 200 subscribers. And if I do, I've decided to do an Amazon gift card giveaway. So if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button. If we get to 200, I'm gonna do it, and I'll figure out how we're gonna do it, make it kind of fun. But yeah, enjoy the video.